Welcome to Terra Naturals. Rose oil is a natural moisturizer. This oil can help you cope with acne, wrinkles, blemishes, and marks, making the skin become smoother, fresher, and younger. Let's start with two simple ingredients: coconut oil and rose petals. Roses, both in the form of rose petals and rose essence, offer various potential benefits. Rich in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. Today I am using this dark pink color paneer rose. If you get this light baby pink paneer rose, it is always better. Nowadays it's tough to get these country paneer rose, but these hybrid paneer rose is available in the market. Paneer rose has a very good aroma and fragrance. The flower petals are edible and are used to flavor food. Remove the petals and wash it with salt added water to remove impurities. Roses are loaded with tons of antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It supports body's natural collagen production, which is basically responsible for healthy skin, hair, and nails. After washing, use the filter like this to drain the water. Let the petals dry for at least 10 days in a room temperature. Add required amount of rose petals in a glass jar. Add coconut oil so that the petals should be fully immersed into the oil, like this, and close the jar. We have to double boil the oil. For that, take a part and place a stone in between and place the jar like this, and let the oil cook in a medium flame for about 30 to 40 minutes. After the oil cools, keep the oil in a sunlight for a week. Grind the oil and filter it. The rose oil is ready to use. Apply few drops of rose oil and give a gentle massage and leave overnight. Rose oil helps to reduce redness and calm the skin for more even toned complexion. It is great for rebalancing dry, irritated, and sensitive skin. Once give a try and leave your feedback. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends, and subscribe for more new videos. Thank you.